We saw an issue with local YMCAs creating their own materials. The materials looked quite different, and YMCAs looked as if they were working in silos. YMCA England Wales is the founding movement of YMCA. A lot of people know us thanks to the village people. A big part of our brand is having that hero image, that young person at the forefront. The best we could do is we'd take pictures, any pictures that we had, we'd put in Dropbox, and people would just try to find that perfect image in that mess of a maze that is our Dropbox folder. Nothing was consistently done. People were using clip art, they were using different types of photography. It certainly didn't make our brand look very consistent, and it was hurting us quite a bit. We saw a need that YMCAs needed professional looking photography to be able to create professional looking materials. We needed a way to catalog it. We needed a way so that when someone did come into that photo gallery, they could search, I want a young person, ideally a female, doing this type of activity. And so now, we've got a place where they can then tick all those boxes and boom, they can find the selection of it. Having a digital asset management system enables us to maintain our brand across each of our channels so that when someone sees a flyer or a video from YMCA, they know which organization that is and they know what that organization stands for. The majority of local YMCAs do not have the staff with the skill set to design impactful media campaigns. We needed to provide a place where someone could come that didn't have that type of skill set to be able to create professional looking on-brand materials. Being able to give them that support so that now they can create things that are a bit more creative but are not outside of the parameters of our brand guidelines, I think makes us both happy. I was expecting an onslaught of emails. Oh my gosh, I can't find this, I can't find that, how do I do this, how do I do that? But because the program is so user intuitive, I've had very little of that. And those that have emailed and called, it's always the same one or two people because they're really trying to use it and do a lot of things with it. And so I'm only answering questions as to how they can be more creative with it. It's a professional organization, which is an organization I wanted to work with. It was more of a partnership than us paying for a service, which of course is, in the long run, is going to serve you better. Clearly we've made the right choice, I feel like.
Wyden, an Acquia company.